Hello everybody, my name is Butter1000, and today's video we're going to be doing cooking with butter. It's a new series I'm going to start. I don't know how soon, how many videos though, but yeah, I'll start soon. But today's cooking video will be gingerbread men, and sorry if you hear a dog barking. And sorry guys for not uploading recently, it's that I've been busy with other stuff like school and secret projects that I'm not allowed to say, because spoilers. But yeah, anyways, let's go to the gingerbread men. Okay, so now we have all our ingredients here to make the gingerbread men. And sorry if you hear background noises in the background, dogs barking. First thing we're gonna do is take our mix here. It's butter, perfect. And we're gonna pour it in the bowl. So yeah, we'll just dump this cooking mix in the bowl. There we go. Now we put our butter in. Okay, now we got honey. Oh, sorry. Honey. And we're just gonna dump it all in. Okay, so now we're just gonna take this mixer here and turn it on. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put this into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So be right back. Okay guys, so this is how we took it out of the fridge. We put it in a little saran wrap. First thing we're gonna do is put 1 scoop of flour. And we're keeping this from sticking, so that's why we put it on the rolling pin. Okay, then we're gonna put this dough on here. And now we're going to roll this into a 3/16 thickest, I think, and it is about this thick. Alright, so I rolled it up a little bit more, and now what we next gotta do is put the cutters on there. I already did that. So now we're just gonna push it down as hard as we can, not too hard, cut it, and then we're gonna just peel this off. Okay, and then we're gonna save this, so now I gotta get rid of it. We'll roll it off so we can make more. Also, keep sticking your fingers in the flour so that way it doesn't just stick to your hands all the time. Okay guys, so get back to this, so I'll just deal with this so you don't waste any more of your time. Alright, now the cookies are done, and guys, don't worry about the flour, that will just burn off when we put it in the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven right now. Okay guys, well, sorry you can't really see it that well, there's a bunch of little black dots in the way. So we're gonna heat this up for 10 minutes. Yeah, I forgot to say this, but you have to, before you put your cookies on the pan, make sure you oil it with spray oil. Okay, so now we're just gonna let the cookies cool off, and yes, there is still flour there, but we'll probably just brush that off. Probably can just brush that off. Okay, guys, now it's time for the decorating. And yeah, I know there's still flour on it, but that's because we used too much. So just don't use as much as we did. Cause I got a little bit mixed up with his hat. So little mistake can be forgiven. It's gonna get eaten anyway. Guys, I know it looks a little messy, but that's because the frosting was on crockpot for me. Man, his pants look like the best part. Alright guys, so we're just gonna let this dry, so take a look. But next, alright guys, the frosting, not very, you can walk, move, but yeah, not the best decorator either. But that's because the cookie isn't that good either. But yeah, anyways, next cookie. Alright, that one's done. Alright guys, they're done now. Also guys, my camera died so I couldn't really film all of the cookies. So that's going to have to be the end of this video. If you liked it, press the like button and maybe you might get one of these. Yeah, I wish you could. Can't do that. But anyways, Butter 1000, out!
I need some sleep. You can't go on like this. I tried counting sheep, but there's one I always miss. Everyone says I'm getting down too low. Everyone says you just gotta let it go. You just gotta let it go. You just gotta let it go.